Hey everybody, welcome back. So today's video, I have a subscription box from a company that I had not heard of before. They did contact me and they asked me if I wanted to, do an unboxing and show you guys what their company offers. Now, like I said, I never heard of them before, so after they emailed me, I went on their site and I looked at it just to kind of see if it's something that I wanted to try. And I agreed to it, and I was like, okay, yeah, you guys can send me a box so me and my girls can see what else is out there, because subscription companies are coming at us left and right, and there is a lot that is good, and then there's a lot that's kind of like mediocre, and so I like to open this box that I have, which is still in the package. I have not opened this up yet, but first let me tell you a little bit about what I learned about their company. It says they are a female subscription box business that carries a wide variety of items in their box, such as clothing, beauty essentials, and fitness items. So what else? This is just from an email. When I looked on their site, they did have some different boxes that you can choose from, and I thought they all looked pretty nice. But it does say that this box that they're sending me, I think is probably their most expensive box. So it's the one that is $99.99, and the shipping is only $3.99. So that's not bad at all. For $99, I cannot wait to see what is in this box. But just so you guys know, if you like what you see, then they did give me a discount code for 10% off your first box, and it will be down below, but the word is pretty. So just in case you decide you like this box and you're looking for a subscription company to sign up with, and this just caught your attention, then go ahead and use that code down below before you place an order. So this is what the box looks like. It's kind of like a white box with like cute little detail on it, and it has the lady on the front right there, and it says a woman's world, never the same, always unique. So that's kind of cute. And then it says, be happy, remember to smile, you are absolutely stunning, the past is behind us and the future lies ahead. And that is super cute. It has little sayings around the box. Ooh, don't want to drop it. I thought that was cute. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what they sent me. Okay, so the first thing that I see is the back streets of Rome hold all kinds of secrets, a little postcard. And it has something to do with some wine. So I don't think it's no wine in this box. But we're about to see. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this hydrating facial mask, coconut water, drenched skin in revitalizing moisture. So it looks like this, and it's just is it one mask in here? It just shows one mask in here, so that's kind of cool. Everybody's on that mask kick right now, so that's what. Oh, do my eyes deceive me? I'm gonna save what I just looked at for last. I'm gonna save that for last because I'm even surprised, but I'm gonna try to get past it. Okay, so then I see this really pretty tumbler. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, does it already have it in there? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It has paper confetti in between the, where the drink goes into. So the paper confetti just stays in there. That is so cute. I usually see the ones with like the glitter and stuff like that. I have not seen the one with paper confetti, and it says dance all night. That is so adorable. Cylinder water bottle with confetti. I like that. And the top is pink. So far so good. The next thing that I pulled out is by High Smile. I believe it's High Smile. So it's a container like this, and what's inside is some pink toothpaste, I believe. Let me see. High Smile. In order to be irreplaceable, I am different. I am purposeful in approach and in executing. Okay, so it just has some sayings on there. Let me take this out, and it comes in this little container with the top that you can just pop off. Oh my goodness, that smells good. And it's just a clear tube. It doesn't have anything on it, but it has this little thing on the side, and it says I don't know if it's his smile or high smile. High smile. That's what it is. Obsessed with being different through provoking, challenging the preconceived ideas on what is already defined. And it just has that. So I don't really have too much information on the toothpaste. I've never even heard of this brand. I think it's really, really cute. It smells good already. It's really, really minty. Really minty. Because, I mean, I can smell it without even opening it. So that is in here. Okay, and I was right. Look at this. It is a bottle of wine, I believe. No wonder the box was so heavy. Let's get this open. And it's Tintoretto Vino Rosso. Now, it's a red wine, definitely. Now, I'm going to be honest. I really, really like this. I will give this to a friend or somebody, or just keep it for when friends come over. I don't drink wine. For some reason, wine gives me a headache. It gives me a headache. I don't know what it is. Red wine, white wine, all wines, and I've tried different ones, and they give me a headache. But I do think this is cool that it's in a subscription box company. A subscription box. And they sent a full bottle of wine. I think that is super cool. So I have one more thing in this box that I want to show you. And would you look at this? They actually have a Michael Kors bag in their subscription box. It has the tags on it. It has the Michael Kors tag on it. It says retailed for $168 LG crossbody in leather. So it's a really pretty pink Michael Kors bag. Looks like this. It has the cute little chain strap on it, and then it has the regular strap right there. Let's see. It still has the Michael Kors paper on the inside. Everything is looking pretty good. I am very, very surprised. And now I can see why the this box was $99. But like I said, I do believe that they have a different box with different price points on it. So you don't have to go with this box, which is probably their most expensive box. But if you did, you can expect to get a few items like what you see here today. I'm very, very surprised. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for $99. And I mean, you can do this. I think they have, I mean, most of these subscription companies, they do have the option to skip a month. You don't have to do every month. You can do every 2 months, every 3 months, or whatever. So this is just me showing you what they sent. For this being my first box, I am going to say I'm very, very pleased with the bottle of wine and the bag and the cup. I don't do face mask, and I'm interested in trying that toothpaste, pink toothpaste. I've never had pink toothpaste, and it matches the purse. So I'm very pleased with them. I know I like to give you guys my opinion on, you know, on things, and I always tell you that I don't usually bash companies or anything like that, because what I don't like, somebody else may like. If it was something that I didn't like about this, I would tell you. But for now, my experience and what I got, I think it was, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10. So, I mean, because who gets a Michael Kors bag in their subscription box? I thought that was kind of cool. So that was it. I will link all their information down below in case you are interested in getting their box. I think it's cool. So thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. Bye.